You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you.
Instagram has changed a lot in the past few years, and we saw some major updates like Instagram Guides, Reels, Messenger, and a lot more. But still, there are a few accounts who are missing these features. Well, a month back I made a video for enabling Instagram Reels, and it worked for almost everyone. But this time we are going to enable the cross-app messaging feature on those accounts who are still using the old boring Instagram messaging. And just like the previous video, this is also the only working method by which you can enable cross-app messenger on your account within a day. So with that being said, yo, what's up guys, Devyansh here, and now without wasting any time, let's enter the video. The old messaging platform is too boring these days, as you are unable to react on a message, neither you can reply to any message. And I don't know what's wrong with Instagram, but a lot of users faced issues of not getting Reels and new Messenger on their account. And this is a random bug happening on random accounts. A lot of people think that the issue is app-based, but in most of the cases, this is an account-based issue, because Instagram backend hasn't pushed the Messenger update on your account. So now watch all these steps carefully. So first, download an app named Instagram Threads from Play Store or App Store. Well, this trick works on Android as well as on iOS. Also, Threads is an official application of Instagram, so once installed, set up your account on Threads and then log out your account from the Instagram app. After this, Android users will clear cache of their Instagram account by going into settings, then apps, then Instagram, then storage, and then clear cache of their Instagram app. And iOS users will also clear the data of app by going into settings, then general, then storage, then Instagram, and then they will click on the delete app button. After doing this step, uninstall the application and restart your phone. Once done, then you will have to reinstall Instagram application, but Android users will download Instagram app from any third-party website, for example uptodown.com, and also the link of the latest Instagram app is given below in the video's description. And the iOS users will install the app from App Store only, and after this you will have to log in your account back on the application. Now you have to take 3 screenshots. The first will be of the feed section of your Instagram, the second will be of your profile, and the third will be of any open chat. Then go to settings, then help, then click on report a problem button and select something isn't working option. There you will have to upload all the 3 screenshots and you will have to write that cross app messaging is not working on your account, kindly enable it. Then submit it by clicking on the send button. After doing this, just deactivate your Instagram account temporarily for just 3 hours. You can try it before sleeping, so in the morning, you will be surprised with the cross-app messaging update on your account. For those who don't know how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, kindly see the video given below in the video's description from duration 7 minutes, or directly visit the link given below for temporarily deactivating your Instagram account. I bet you that if you will follow all the steps mentioned in the video, then you will definitely get the Messenger update on your account. And once you will have the Messenger on your account, I want you here again and let me know in the comment section that it worked for you. So that's all for today, and if you guys liked the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, I am Devyansh and I will catch you in the next one. But if you want to catch me before, then follow me up on Instagram. Take care.
When I close my eyes, I see your face, a memory that doesn't fade away.